with just about 15 games to go in the EPL season, it is as you were with the team that got itself in the most favourable position to win the league, Liverpool, continuing to lead the team in the next most favourable position, Arsenal, by 6 points with a game in hand. I mean, I lie. Liverpool continues to look like a club and a team on a mission. All of this, of course, while the team that was everybody's pick to win the league, Manchester City, continues to fall apart. Even after the checkbook was flashed in the transfer window and some new signings arrived, Pep and Man City are still falling apart. It is now clear the defending champions and the title favourites will be beaten this season. And one of Liverpool, Arsenal, or even Nottingham Forest will lift the title in May. And by the way, speaking of May, if you ask this somewhere there, how such teams stay? How such teams stay? 14th place.